Hey there, let's talk about Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a really neat free resource that you can use to create graphics. Specifically, I use it for social media graphics and Pinterest graphics, and I'm going to walk you through how I go about doing that. So, we're going to create a new design. Let's just make a Pinterest graphic. And at the left, you'll notice that there's already a bunch of pre-made templates that you can start from. I'm just going to start from scratch just to keep it simple. Right here at your left, you click Uploads, and this is where all of your pictures show up. So what we're going to do is create an image. Let's grab this one, and you're just going to place it on the screen, and then you can drag the corners to size it and position it. And from here we can add elements like shapes, which are great for making overlays. So you can see these are all free. You keep scrolling and you'll eventually come to some that cost money. I try to stick with the free stuff. And you can change the color if you just saw right here. And drag the corners and the edges to create the shape that you want and place it. And right up here at the right, you see this button for transparency. So that's what we're going to click to adjust the opacity. Now let's add some text. I actually have the paid version, which allows me to upload fonts of my own. But basically, it'll have fonts here for you to add. And you can type in a heading. So, how to create graphics in Canva. To adjust that font, you'll see up here is where you can pick your fonts. These are all included and free. My computer's being a little bit slow today, so it'll change it. Here's font size, font color. You can make it bold, italicized. You can also here's where you can change the case easily, and the alignment and spacing. Spacing I use a lot, where you adjust the lettering spacing. And let's do that. I think I'm going to make it capitals. And you can see how it provides guides. It helps you to center things within the space. Let's add another piece of text, and let's move it out of the way. Cannot type today. Okay, we're going to adjust this one. You can see it changes. Let's make it a little bit bigger and change the size of it. Placement. Oh, I'm going to spell my name. That's good to do. Alright, and I'm going to also adjust the spacing on this one. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. Pretty easy, and now you are set to export. So what you're going to do, you can share your design with other people, or typically I just download, and I just go with PNG recommended, and hit download, and it's going to provide you with a file, and then you can upload it wherever you need to. Obviously in this case we would upload it to Pinterest, and you're ready to go.